Okay, so to use InShot, this is what the interface looks like. So you can you can edit a video, and you can create a video using different photos like slideshow. Then you apply effects on the slideshow. So there are a lot of things you can do here in InShot application. So if you have a video, all you need to do is upload your video and click on the new button. All right, so I'll just look for a very short video if I can get one from this okay, hold on please. I'm trying to check. Okay, I should go to video rather. So I've chosen a video. I have this video here, so I've picked the video. So now all the functions are right here. All the functions are right here, so you can choose what you want to do. First of all, the first one is you can choose the canvas. That is the size, how it looks like. So let me pick the canvas so I can adjust it, zoom. So it depends on what you're creating your video for. So this video size, you can see, is in landscape. It's more like a YouTube size video. So you can add music to your video. So the music, you click on the music plus sign. So there are pre-installed music, and there are music from your gallery. So let me see. So this is one of Mogi GLS music that we use for background music. So I've added the music, but I'm going to edit it so that the volume is not too much and it doesn't overshadow the voice. You can see I'm editing, I'm increasing and decreasing. So I'm going to make the background music very, very low. You can still hear it, but it's low because if the video you're creating, you're working on, has its own music already, you don't want, or it has a voice note, so the person is speaking or in the video, and you want to add a background music. You don't want the background music to overshadow the voice of the person in the video talking, or the original voice in the video. So you have to reduce it very well to the minimum level. So I've done that. I've added music, so I'm just going to click on the OK. So you can add sticker. So here in sticker, you can use the sticker option to import your logo. If you want to add a logo, a business logo, so all you just need to do is, when you click on the sticker, you click on it, will give you an option to select a photo or something from your gallery. So here is the gallery. I've just clicked it. I'm just going to click on import. So let me find a logo if I can see anyone nearby. Okay, I'm just going to use this is for a client. So I'm just going to adjust it and place it somewhere in the left hand side. So, and that is it. So if you can use that option to add your logo or a sticker, preferably whichever one, to your video, or an additional image. So I'm going to adjust this logo so that it covers all the videos. You can see that I've dragged it from the beginning of the video to the last part of the video, so that it can show all in the video, as you can see. But if I don't do that, this will only show on wherever I dragged the length to reach. So this is it, so you can see it here. So I will drag it back to the end of the video and I'll click on OK. So you can also add text. So this is quite simple. You can use this text to write whatever you want to describe. So you can edit the text, the color, how it appears, all within here. So I can choose this. So you can adjust it using the arrow on the text. Then when I'm done, so like I said, I have to move it to the point where I need it. So I'm going to drag it again from the beginning to the end of the, then I'll click on OK. Then I can move the text to whatever position I want it to be. So I want it to be somewhere in the middle here. So I've done that. So let me play the video. You can hear the music, you can see the text we just added, you can see the logo that we added. So you can add filter, though the filter option is because this application is a paid one, so you can there are some functions that may not work. So you can add filter. You can use this filter to adjust your video, maybe the brightness. You can see that the brightness is changing, the brightness, and any other editing you want to do to your video. So that's, then peep, you can use peep to add, probably if you are in the video and you're talking about someone or a product, you can use that to add a peep to it. So you can add a peep of a video, like a video flash of something, or a photo. Let me see, pick one. Let me just pick something here, very short. It's almost difficult to get something, so I'm going to use a photo instead. I'll use a photo. So let me see. So this is the peep that I added. So you will just allow the peep to stay wherever you want it to stay, just like we did, adjust it like we did for other ones. So adjust it. So I just want it there, so I'll click on OK. You can also edit it. So we have pre-cut. So this is used to trim your video. So if you have some part of your video that you don't want, so when you click on pre-cut, you can trim. As you can see, I've trimmed. You can cut, you can split the video into two, then adjust. You can cut, then you can just split. Maybe you want to add effect, so you can split. Let me just leave it at that. So as you can see, my video has some split end. So the split end now, I can click on it to add some effects. Look at this. I will click on this now. You can add transition. So I added a transition now. Okay, let me add something that is more obvious so you can see it. Okay, this is for Pro. Okay, I added something now. So you will see how this part will transition. You can see that part. You can see the transition. I can still do something again, add another split. So I added another split somewhere here, and I want to add the transition. So I hope this is obvious enough. So let's see. So you can see the transition. So that is that. So this is also split. If you want, it's still the same functions, the same split. So that's if you want to split it. If not, probably you want to separate that side of the video. So this that option is delete. The next one is to add background. So you can see I just added something. I added a black, I added a red. So and if you don't want any, you just click on none. Okay, that's this option is if you want to add a background from your this thing from your gallery. Okay, I really do not want this video to be so long, so you can play around with every other option that we have here. Voice effects and the rest. Replace, flip is turning it the other side. Then we also have freeze. So if you want to freeze the video, probably somebody is moving and you want it to just stop or slow down, you freeze at that point. So that is it with this using inshot. So if you have any other question, play around and I'm sure that I can be able to help. So after you are done, okay, with your work, all you need to do is click on save here. Then you save it. Actually, inshot is it's a paid app, so